Alright guys, so this is like a bit of a recap on what it was that we just ate, which was the
Southwestern chicken,
Southwestern chicken and mashed
vegetables.
potatoes. So what did you think about it?
I thought it was really good. I know the vegetables were a little overdone, but
They were
we
Cajun.
kind of improvised on our vegetables because, like I said, some of the stuff in our bag was ruined from a sour cream explosion, so we had to improvise on that.
Yeah.
So the vegetables could have been cooked a little less, but they were still good. The chicken was really flavorful and nice and crispy.
The chicken was amazing.
The only thing I would change with that is it really could use like a dip.
Definitely.
It did come with hot sauce, but I'm not a hot sauce
We ended up using
person.
honey mustard. Not a good honey mustard, but it was a honey mustard. So.
Yes, that did help. Otherwise, the chicken had a really good flavor. It was crispy. The mashed potatoes with that Kerrygold butter were really good.
Oh my goodness.
I wish I had some extra fresh garlic I squeezed in there just to give it a little more
The
flavor.
Kerrygold's butter. Listen, you guys. I know it's expensive. It is. But you know, you're at the supermarket, you know, whether you're at a Walmart. Well, actually, I don't think Walmart sells, does it?
Yeah, they have it. They do have
Well, I'm not saying Walmart's going to be the cheapest, but I mean, they got all those. If you're a coupon person and you got all those different coupon apps, maybe look for something. It is worth the money. I don't recommend buying and spreading it on toast. I don't. Was it good? Yes, I enjoyed spreading it on toast, but it's $4 or $5 for 2 sticks. 2 sticks! But, you know, when you're using 2 tablespoons in the mashed potatoes, it made a world of a difference. Actually,
it was really good.
Actually, to be honest with you, I think next time I make my corn, I think I'm going to use the butter with some of the cream. So
That'd be good on corn,
yeah,
absolutely.
it's going to be really good. I discovered how to make street corn, so that's going to be an upcoming video soon because it's summertime and everybody likes street corn. So.
What did you think about the food?
What did I think about it? I think the vegetables were a little too Cajun for my taste.
I like Cajun.
No, the shit was burned. I'm sorry. She burned them. She always burns the vegetables.
I like them like that.
I don't like them
I
like
do
that.
not like firm vegetables. I like them cooked all the way through. And if we get to doing something else and they just are in there for an extra minute, that's all it takes.
Well, you need to stop up to doing something else and just maybe baby them.
Maybe.
Maybe watch them like a little puppy.
Maybe.
I got puppies. I got wiener puppies. We'll watch them like that. You do wiener puppies.
Like this? Okay.
They're fat. That's how big they are in my hands.
Yeah, but our vegetables aren't that big.
They could be. I like a potato.
Other than the burnt vegetables, what did you think of the food?
The food. Listen, the food was delicious. The chicken, right idea. The chicken was a little dry, but that's only because Paranoid here does not believe in proper temperatures, and we ended up cooking at 200 degrees. I'm not saying that was bad, but I mean it was safe. You know, it wasn't like, I'm not saying it was jerky dry. It did so with little tiny hints of juiciness to it, but you know, overall, it was still delicious. So
there are a lot of bacteria in this world that aren't killed until 180 degrees, and I don't want any kind of bacteria in my body, especially the coronavirus.
Because somebody left the camera on, so we only have a minute.
Oh no, we gotta go. Anyway,
so we have to end
200-degree chicken is nothing wrong with that.
It was good. Like, comment, subscribe below, you guys. Hit that notification bell, and again, see you guys in the next video, whether it's HelloFresh or grilling or just making pancakes and bullshitting.
Southwest chicken, that's what was cooking.
What's cooking?